Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're doing a comparison between Leonardo AI and Adobe Premiere Pro. You see, Leonardo AI excels at rapid AI image video creation, and it has control for you to fine-tune it, while Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional, comprehensive video editing suite for complex timelines. But it now integrates AI for faster basic tasks like cutting and text to video, making them complementary tools, not direct replacements. What am I trying to say? They can be used together or they can be used separately. Let's look at them separately. Leonardo AI is best for concept art, game assets, marketing visuals, idea prototyping, and AI-driven content creation. Its strength lies in fast text to image, text to video, real-time canvas editing, custom model training. It is user-friendly for visual ideation and offers free and tiered plans. But its limitations is that it's primarily generative. Video editing is basic and can get complex with many options, and the privacy or advanced features often requires payment. When it comes to Adobe Premiere Pro, on the other hand, it is best for professional video editing, storytelling, complex projects, and full-scale production. The strength lies in industry-standard editing, comprehensive tools, seamless integration with other Adobe apps, and increasingly powerful built-in AI for tasks like cutting and transcriptions. The limitations are it has a steeper learning curve, it is subscription based, and while the AI helps, it's still fundamentally a manual editor. So how can they work together? You can use Leonardo AI to generate unique characters, backgrounds, or short clips from text, and then bring those AI generated assets into Premiere Pro to arrange, edit, add music, transition, and voiceover for a polished final video. And you can also use Premiere's AI to quickly remove bad takes, while Leonardo generates the high quality visuals you need to fill the gaps. In summary, choose Leonardo AI for rapid visual concepting and AI asset creation, and choose Adobe Premiere Pro for professional video assembly, editing, and final delivery, using Leonardo's output as your building block. But if you want to be smart, just choose both. Like I said, use Leonardo for brainstorming visuals and use Premiere Pro for structuring and polishing your final video. Hope you found this video helpful.